change some gasoline, man. Hey, man, come on, let me get some change.
What the fuck, man?
I'm trying to make it real. Come on, man.
What the fuck?
Man.
You're fucking crackhead.
Change some gasoline, man.
No.
Let me get some change. Gasoline,
No,
man.
Fireball, it's good for when you want a ratchet.
You ever woke up in the morning and had morning wood for hours at a time? No matter how hard you jab it, poke it, stab with a pencil, shit, you can hug with a fork. It just won't go down. Well, this news brought to you by Trapper Hall. Daytime soft dishes. It just won't go down. Hey, look, fucking this girl, my homeboy Mike and my homeboy put a train on her. Next day, he wiped her up, was dating the bitch and loving everything. How you gonna run a train on a bitch and date her the next day?
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh yeah!
No, man.
I don't have none.
Look, it was a thing.
I don't have none. I don't fucking have none. Fucking crackhead.
You never woke up in the morning that morning wood for hours at time.
Then you just go right on ahead and you
You
take
know,
that goddamn salt,
shit,
man.
turn up the radio. All day, every day.
3. Don't you hate it when you and your nigga finish getting it in, he been yanking, he been pulling, and then your weave is a hot mess? Thanks to this new product by Trapaholics, Nuttin' Done. Hair did, hair done.
Ratchet ENT with Poppy.
Got some change for some gasoline. Smoking, cracking, you know what I mean.